Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kurvekut. It's good to have you here again. And today I'm gonna do another skincare tip. I think it's a tip or a routine. I don't know what to call it, but it's a skincare something. Please excuse the t-shirt on my head. Like, I've had to wash all my head wrapping things for my bath, so I had to use this t-shirt, which is actually okay because it's like protecting my hair. Okay, besides all that, today I'm going to talk to you about jade rolling. A lot of people have asked me how I use this tool because they've seen it on my Instagram page and what is it for, how to use it. They've had all these sorts of questions, and today I'm going to tell you why I opt to use a jade roller. So basically, a jade roller is an ancient Chinese tool made of jade, and it's a beauty tool that has been there for many centuries. It's made of jade, which is a stone which is technically used for like warding off evil spirits or like just keeping like positive energy around you. And it's been used on skin because of its cooling effect, and also because when you use it correctly, you're technically doing like a facelift. So this tool keeps you younger, it lets blood rush to your skin, and it also just makes your products be absorbed better like your skin. And the reason why this works is because your skin is like fish scale. So if your skin scale cells, I mean, it's like fish scales. If you've ever scaled a fish, you will see that underneath it's where it could go off, like up, but then on top you can't. So if you're rubbing a fish like this, nothing's happening, but then if you rub it like this, then you can remove the skin. So also, if you look at roof shingles, the way they are packed together, that's also how the skin cells are packed together. So when you are applying lotion like this downwards, technically you're not putting anything into your skin. But then if you apply your products like this, then it is penetrating your skin better, which is why I'm always emphasizing the fact that you have to put your products upward motion. So like this, you could use your hands to massage your face, like so, so that your products go into your skin, and also you keep your skin up so that it doesn't go down. So doing this, you are actually not only sagging your skin, you're actually just not doing much for your skin. So you need to apply this way. So that's the purpose of my jade roll. So my jade roller, before I use it, and you can see it's got two sides. I've got the one small side that I use around my eyes, and then this one that I use around my face. So it's rotating, as you can see, so it moves around your skin very easily. I put it in the fridge for a couple of minutes before I use it, especially for like my puffy eyes, like especially after I wake up and I haven't had enough time to sleep. I use this. So you can use it with your favorite products. I use it with my sheet masks. I use it with my phytocorrective mask from SkinCeuticals. I use it with all my serums, my eye creams, my eye serums, like all those products, so that they can penetrate into my skin better and to just really work around my eyes, like to flatten these puffy areas, and so that I don't get any dark circles. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how I use this. I've already moisturized my face. I think you can see that. So on my face, all I basically do is to just massage up like so. You don't have to put pressure. You can do it gently. And this is very cool, like it's very cold, so my skin is cooling down, and the cold is so good for the skin, and blood is rushing up onto my skin. So this is also like a mini facelift, so I could look younger for longer. So just an upward motion like so. I do it in the morning and in the evening, but sometimes I forget to do it in the morning, so I remember to do it in the evening. Even if you don't put it in the fridge, it really is very cool, and you don't have to do it for too long. Like this is enough. So basically, you are just rushing your blood up into your skin, and also you are getting your product into your skin like so. And then I'm going to show you what I use around my eyes, because everybody asks this. So these are my current serums. This one is a tester from Estee Lauder. And this one is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. And then this one is my Revitalizing English Bunny. Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Eye Balm. So the eye balm for me works perfectly for the evening. I prefer it in the evening. This one is in the morning, and I've really loved it. I cannot wait to purchase an entire a big bottle for myself. So what I like about this one, it comes with a head like so it's easy to apply my eye cream just here and there. And because it's during the day, I'm about to go out, I'm not gonna really put on most of my serums because I don't want to have them on under the sun. So I technically apply my my eye cream or my anti-aging products the way people apply highlighter, just on the areas that easily age, you know, like smile lines and stuff, because I've seen a difference by doing so. So I'm going to just push this into my skin. You don't really have to put products on your eyelid because it will drag them down, but you can put the residue of the products on your eyelid as well, especially like here on the sides of your eyes. So that's my eye cream on, and then I'll take my Jade roller and just at my eyes I'll do that. A couple of strokes are enough. I always count 15 or 16. Then I roll like this. Then on the other side. And it's so nice and cool, guys. Like it feels very good. And right here. And just like that, I'm done, and I'll apply my sunscreen and go. So this is it really to the Jade roller, and if you really use it with discipline, like every single day, you'll see a real change in your skin. You'll see a real change in your face because it does really wonderful work. And you need to buy real Jade because there's fake Jade out there. And if you'd like to purchase one of these, you can actually buy one from B Uzuri and Co. I'll leave a description link below, and it goes for 100 Rand for one. And yeah, it's an easy tool to keep. You can keep it for a long time, unless you drop it and break it or something, but you can keep it for a very long time. And remember to buy real Jade, because if you buy fake Jade, then it's very pointless. And also, I really believe in the spiritual attributes of this tool here, because when I use it on my skin, I feel so relaxed. I really do. So I recommend it for everybody who can make time for these things, who can make time to look after the skin like this, because I do this, and because you wanted to know, I've let you know. So a lot of detail will be in my description box. I was even thinking of maybe doing a blog, but not now, maybe some other time. And also when I do the blog, I'll update it in the description box. If you have any questions, or if you have any worries, if you want to know something about jade rolling, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment just below in the comment section, and I will assist you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my video. I can't wait to see you on my video. And yeah, thank you very much for being here, and bye. Ta-ta.